What it do, world, man? It's your boy, the Freestyle King, man. Come to talk to y'all about, the importance of having good credit. Y'all got to realize, man, when you got good credit, and it take good credit to buy homes, cars, you know what I'm saying, to buy things that you need when you necessarily don't have the money. It makes it easier to go in the banks and get loans. It makes it easier to get credit cards through the banks or through other companies that you need to get a credit card through. You know, your car tear up, you ain't got the money, use your credit card or go to the bank and get a loan. But if your credit ain't good, then you simply can't do that, you know. A lot of people used to ask me, man, how you got your credit good? I tell them straight up, I started off small. I had a Fingerhut account, I had a Capital One credit card, and I had a Badcock account. When they got me like a little AC unit for the house, window unit for the house, you know what I mean? Badcock, I bought some comforter sets. Fingerhut, I bought comforter sets. And then, Capital One credit card. I was charging that. And what I did was, because I got tired of making all them 3 payments and keeping up with the payments every month, I went to the bank, since I had established a little bit of credit. And altogether, I just added up how much I owed each company. Got me a loan from the bank, paid every company off, and then therefore just had 1 payment a month towards the bank. And by me doing that, I paid those 3 accounts off. That raised my credit up. And then I paid that loan off from the bank. That raised my credit up. So, it's like a double raise, kind of, so to speak. But, man, when you have your credit good, it helps you. You don't have to put money up straight up front. You know what I'm saying? You can get things and pay towards it a little later. You know what I'm saying? Which makes it a little comfortable for you and not to have to spend money right out your pocket. So, man, make sure y'all get y'all credit good, man. People want to buy houses, you got to have good credit. You want to get cars, you got to have good credit. And if you don't have good credit and they give you something on credit, then your interest rate going to be super high. But the better your credit is, the lower your interest rate is going to be, which means the less money or interest you have to pay and the less amount of money they're making off you. You don't want to go buy something that costs $30,000, but then your interest rate 20%. And I'm not, doing the actual numbers, but let's just say instead of paying back that $30,000, now you got to pay $50,000 because your interest rate high altogether. So do what's best for you and get your credit right. Get your nice home, get your nice car. Start off small. Well, a lot of people mess up at, man, when they get credit, they go to buying things they know they can't afford. Do not buy things you can't afford. That's only going to put you in more debt. Easiest way to get a credit card, once you establish a little bit of credit, go to a credit union, tell them you want a credit card through the bank. And what I do is, I get them to take it out my checking account every 2 weeks. So let's just say my minimum payment is $50. I tell them to take $75 out every 2 weeks. So instead of paying, $100 a month, I'm paying $150 a month, which means I'm paying my loan off faster, and I'm also, gonna raise my credit up by having a major credit card through the bank because it's a Visa. Visa is a major credit card. So, like I say, man, get y'all credit right. It'll help you out through life, getting things that you need and getting the things that you want. I'm out. Freestyle King, subscribe.